guys! Good to know Friday muna tayo ngayon. Okay, so the brand that we're gonna talk about today is the brand called Amiri. So Amiri, guys, is actually a luxury street brand. It starts in LA and it's founded by Mike Amiri. So they started like 2014 and they were very big in terms of catering to certain celebrities and athletes before, and now it has become one of the well-known streetwear fashion brand. So meron tayong available niyan dito. So meron tayong shorts, meron tayong cap. Medyo nabenta na yung cap natin, so isa na lang yung natitira, pero may restock pa tayo nito, guys, ha. Isa sa mga cap kasi na Amiri na nabili sa atin is yung isa sa mga binili ni Brother Hype. Suot niya nung nagpunta siya ng Lakers game. Tapos we have a polo here din na Amiri. I think athletes and celebrities na nakita ko nag-aamiri ng polo madalas is like si Damian Lillard. Si one of the celebrities na trending ngayon, si Justin Bieber, because of the Coachella performance. So yun, Justin Bieber also wears Amiri. There's a lot more celebrities that wears Amiri. Hindi lang siya ganun ka-popular here in the Philippines because wala silang branch here in the Philippines for now. So if you're interested in sourcing them, then you know where to go. Praise him.